হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। বিউটিফুল মেমোরিজ বাই এন্ডেন আপনাদেরকে ওয়েলকাম করছি আমি ইন্ডিয়ার পিঙ্ক সিটি জয়পুর থেকে। তো আজকে আমরা সারাদিন ঘুরবো জয়পুর। তো এখন আসছি আমরা এই যে জন্তর মন্তরের সামনে। জয়পুরটা আসলে খুব ফেমাস একটা সিটি হিস্টোরিক্যালি। এখানে সব কিছু আপনি একটা কি বলে ওইটাকে, মানে মনে হবে যে আপনি সেই রাজা মহারাজাদের সময়ে চলে যাবেন। এখানে আসলে বাড়ি ঘর সব কিছু একদম সেই ওই রাজা বাদশাদের আমলের, মুঘল আমলের মতো একটা ভাইব আছে এখানে। সো এখানের বিষয়টা আসলে খুব অন্যরকম। তো রাজস্থান হচ্ছে ইন্ডিয়ার সবচেয়ে বড় স্টেট। এটার 42% হইতেছে ডেজার্ট। এখানে পানি নাই, এর জন্য এখানে কোনো ফসল টসল হয় না, ফ্রুটস টুটসও হয় না। তো আরও ইনফরমেশন আপনাদেরকে দিব রাজস্থান জয়পুর সম্পর্কে। চলেন আগে আমরা যন্তর মন্তর দেখি। কিছু একটা হবে বাবা, দেখি বলবে আমাদের বলবে শুরুর থেকে হয়তো বলবে সিরিয়াল। এটা হচ্ছে যন্তর মন্তর। চিন্তা করা যায় আজকে থেকে এত শত শত হাজার বছর আগে মানুষ কতটা সাইন্টিফিক্যালি জ্ঞানী ছিল, তারা এগুলা বানাইছে বলি।
ये है आपका एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल ऑब्जर्वेटरी। हिंदी आता है ना?
मैं ट्रांसलेट करके बोल
इंग्लिश बोलो। इंग्लिश में आई पहले बोल देते फिर आपको इंग्लिश पूरा नाउ लिसन। So this is the world famous monument. Later I will ask the question about this area, okay? So this is the world famous monument named with the astronomical observatory, but the local name Jantar Mantar. Jantar instrument which is made of the stone, and mantar means calculation. So instrument calculation jantar mantar. In India we have total 5 jantar mantar, like in Delhi, Mathura, Banaras, Ujjain, and finally this Jaipur. So all jantar mantar built by Maharaja Jai Singh. Also he was the founder of the Jaipur city also. So oldest jantar mantar you can see in Delhi, like in 1724. But this Jaipur jantar mantar built in the year 1728 and completed 1734. So here around 70% instrument is still working with the help of the sunlight and the moonlight. In 2010 this area announced World Heritage Site under the UNESCO, same like a Taj Mahal World Heritage. Front side there is a false number instrument named the sundial or sun clock. So by help of the sunlight we can find out some local time Jaipur city, because each city have the local time. Local time very useful if you are making your horoscope, panchang and calendar. But in India we have one time zone. In India, one time zone we call Indian Standard Time from Allahabad city, which is the geographical center point of India. So how calculate time? So come closer. Okay, look at all the degrees.
10 o'clock.
Uploaded. So how calculate time if you open the world map and check the Jaipur position in the world map? Like a 27 degree north from the equator line. That's why the direction north. This wall angle 27. 2 white marble tile. This is the first number tile. If you look at the top, in the number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So time start morning 6 o'clock when sun rises, and you are behind their direction east. So morning sun rising, that time this wall shade start there morning 6, slowly move here till 12 noon here. After the 12, when sun will move the west direction, that time this wall shade turn from second marble 12 up to 6 p.m. How calculate? Look, this number is the 9 and this number 10. So 9 or 10 like a 1 hour. 1 hour divided 4, each part 15 minutes. From here, 15, 30, 45, 60. 15 minutes again divided 3, 5, 10, 15, 5 minutes, 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 minute finally divided 3. So accuracy 20 seconds, like the minimum time. Can you see this wall shade here? ये नंबर 10, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 और almost 19. So 10, 19 means Jaipur local time. After that you will add 41 minute plus matching Indian standard time. So 41 and plus 19. So almost
11
Jaipur watching.
11
we got to be that side.
11 o'clock
This is the local time, Jaipur local time by help of the sunlight. In this area 300 years old, those days no electricity, no computer, no
এই
internet.
ফর্মুলাটাতেই আমরা নামাজ পড়ি। আমাদের নামাজের যে টাইমটা এই ফর্মুলা অনুযায়ী এই শেডের ফর্মুলা অনুযায়ী নামাজের টাইমটা ওয়েদারের সাথে সাথে চেঞ্জ হয়।
We start our own time from Jaipur.
Okay, let's go.
We need India divided.
The name is the pointer of the pole star or north star. So this instrument working only the night. If you come here night time, sit here the instrument, put your eyes here, this is at the point. From here, look there. You can see always the pole star or north star. Local name Dhruv Tara, Dhruv Nakshatra. That is a single star in the galaxy. They all time they fix in the north. Other star in the galaxy they are moving slowly and slowly. From here also check the direction. Front side north, here behind south, right hand side east and this side is west. So using only the night like after 7:30 p.m. if no cloud.
Yes, guys.
This is the round one, first number northern hemisphere like in north, and behind area southern hemisphere like in south. You know our sun remaining 6 months north, 6 months south. This is the north, so here sunlight start 22 March starting till 22 September. In this time sunlight you can see here. Right now the 22 September gone. So here no sunlight next 6 months because sunlight transfer on other side. So 6 months sunlight you can see north, 6 months in south, for only 2 days in the year. Whole year only 2 days. 21st March and 23rd of September. That time sun on equator line equinox. 12 hours day, 12 hours night. Timings 21st March and 23rd of September. Equal day, equal night. So time is over. No sunlight. For the sunlight.
You are looking here.
So this is the second part, southern hemisphere like a south. Here sunlight start 24 September was the first day. Starting 24 September till next 20 March. This is the time, that's the reason sunlight is there. It means right now today our sun running south. Example, front side east, there west, north, south, right now south. Come closer. Can you see this? They are showing Jaipur time here. So 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, almost 23. 23 Jaipur local time plus 41. So they are showing the time Jaipur time. So from here also.
টাইমটাকেও দেখাচ্ছে এটার সাথে 40 মিনিট যোগ করলে ইন্ডিয়ার যে সেন্ট্রাল টাইম সেই সেন্ট্রাল টাইমটা
41 minutes.
41 মিনিট
So this instrument we can find out the sun sign, sun zodiac sign. We have the 12 sign like Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, 12 months like January, February up to December. So sun remaining 1 month, one particular sign right now. Where is the sun? We can find out here. How the procedure? So this instrument divided two. This is the first part and second complementary part. My left side, the second marble is there. If you look the front down, there is the gaps between the two marble, like a missing marble. So fill the other side. Another side missing marble here, like a half globe. They divided two for the minor calculation. So 1 hour this is working. After 1 hour closed, another one is start. So how the procedure? First look here, 4 wire, 1, 2, 3, 4. So each wire is a 90-degree angle. So 190 means 360 circle. And can you see the center point of the 4 wire? One is a round one metal plate, just center point. That plate represent of the sun position. If this metal plate shade on the marble side, it means this is working. When this metal plate shade move in the gap, so that time this part is stop, another one is start. First look at my hand shade on the marble. Can you see my hand shade? So this black line, you can see also here. So this middle part of the marble, black line known as the equator of 0 degree, equator. 6 zodiac sign down of the equator, 6 and above. Here my finger is moving. This is the first sign Aries. It means plate shade touch here, 21st March Aries. This is the Taurus, Gemini, Scorpio, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, and 6 and above the equator. So turn this side, I will show you where is the plate shade. Can you see where is the plate shade right now? Right now in the gap area. Can you see there? In the
Yes,
gap.
yes.
It's not working, so please turn the second complementary part.
No.
Here.
No.
So they are mentioned Kumbh. Kumbh means Aquarius. So today our sun running zodiac sign name is the Aquarius. Hindi name Kumbh Rashi. It means right now, today, right now any baby born, particular in Jaipur areas, so his or her sign name like a Aquarius. First we check the sign. After the sign we calculate some calculation about the health issue, some like a childhood age, education, business, marriage. So Jaipur is very famous for the astrology. So daytime all instrument working with the help of the sunlight. It become a night time. This instrument also working as a night time with the help of the moonlight. So few countries follow sun sign, few follow moon sign, but we are using a sun and sign. We're changing every after 2 hours. One ascendant like 2 hours, so 2 into 12 like a herbal medicine Ayurveda. Can you see the top of the hill? One is a yellow color building we call Tiger Palace. Olden days that building used by the royal family as a hunting and entertainment. Because behind of the building the huge forest area, there are a lot of wild animals, especially tigers. All are hunted, killed by the royal family. Right now no tiger, but the palace name is a Tiger Palace.
Otherwise,
Developed by Maharaja Jai Singh, 5 Jantar Mantar by the Maharaja Jai Singh. He knows 17 languages in those days. Maharaja Jai Singh, founder of this area, he was a great astrologer, great astronomer, great mathematician, great ruler, great soldier. So Aurangzeb given the title name was Savai. Savai means 100 plus 25% intelligent man. Suppose right now you are 100%, but those days Maharaj Jai Singh 100 plus 25. That's the reason 2 flag is flying there. One is a huge flag like a 100% flag, and upper side 1/4 quarter flag indicate for the Savai title. For right now indication saying ki where is the royal family. So right now 2 flag is flying there. It means royal family. All flag down, only single flag is there. So right now Jaipur royal family is living in Jaipur. So the building name City Palace, private residential area, Jaipur royal family, 70% royal residence. Another side the museum. Inside the museum you can see olden dress material, some like a Maharaja gown, some olden Maharani sari, some shawl. If you want to see the museum, 1000 rupees ticket 1 person, and for the kids like a 500 rupees. So just the museum, not very special. And after this garden, on the left hand side, some small yellow wall. There are 12 zodiac sign houses like Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer. One zodiac sign equal 30 degrees. Total sign 12. Multiply both like a 360 circle. If you give 3 things like your date of time, date of birth and date of place, then astrologer make the horoscope after the minor calculation. So outside they mention all sign like Aries, Taurus, Gemini. You know about your sign. You stand there, take nice photo with your own sign. If you ask any question, government astrologer free of charge outside area, not free. And look, the big one yellow wall. There is the world largest sundial of sun clock. That's mentioned Guinness Book of the World Record. You already seen the small one, the first number. So that time I told you 1 minute they finally divided 3. So their accuracy 20 seconds. But Maharaja Jai Singh was not satisfied, unhappy. So build again next 10 times bigger compare the first. So their accuracy 20 and here just 2 second accuracy. Same calculation. They divided two parts. First marble they will show you time morning 6 to 12, 12 to 6 on the. And this side here one slab approx 15 minutes. How calculate time?
সো আপনারা যেটা দেখলেন এটা হচ্ছে ওয়ার্ল্ডের সবচেয়ে বড় সানডাইল ঘড়ি, এটা গিনিস ওয়ার্ল্ড রেকর্ডে নাম আছে এবং এইরকম আরও 5টা যন্তর মন্তর আছে পুরো ইন্ডিয়াতে এবং সবগুলাই মহারাজা জয় সিং স্থাপন করছে। তো এই ঘড়িটা হচ্ছে 2 সেকেন্ড অ্যাকুরেসি আমাদের গাইড যেরকম বলল। তো আমরা এটার ভিতরে চলে আসছি, এখন আমরা একটা ছবি তুলে আবার বেরোবো।
No written any language. So this is a blank paper, a question paper, basically for the student purpose. So many students they can come here some practical examination. How the practical? Look downside 4 hooks are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. They use the 4 wire and the center point one metal plate. Similar like there. The teacher has the question, where is the equator line, where is the Scorpio, where is the Aries, where is the Aquarius. Just like a question paper. And that side answer sheet, everything written there. Question paper.
কোশ্চেন পেপার, আনসার শিট এই পাশে।
Can you read anyone Hindi? Chakra means circle. Olden days it was a fully rotated. Local people came here, they move it again and again and again. And sometimes they have fitted and swing also. That's why they locked by the Rajasthan government 2011. Otherwise, right method first we turn it, make a one parallel against the sun. In this hole put it some pen, pencil, stick like this. Sun is there, stick here, should be from downside. This is the equator of 0 degree, 23.5 southern, 29.5 desert. So sun moving here to there. So right now it's closed.
ক্লোজড।
And if you come here night time with the telescope, so you can identify 27 star position at the night time by help of telescope. These are the two instruments. So that is not working because requirement telescope. Evening 5 p.m.
Sunday decline.
এখানে পুতুল খেলা দেখাইতেছে, অনেক বছর পর দেখলাম। আমাদের বাচ্চারা তো দেখেই নাই এগুলা জীবনে কোনো দিন।
गणेश जी महाराज की जय हो।
तो ये आपके बीच आगे राजस्थान की मसूर डालकर इसका नाम
जय श्री राम।
तो अनारकली जी नमस्ते करो।
नमस्ते राम राम सा राधे राधे।
ছিল আমাদের যন্তর মন্তরের ট্যুর। আমাদের ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে লাইক করবেন, কমেন্টস করবেন, চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন, শেয়ার করবেন। আমরা পরের ডেস্টিনেশনে যেয়ে আবার পরের ভিডিও শুরু করতেছি। 3
यहाँ 47 टच हो जाता है।